Hello, today I'll be making chickpea soup, and this is the ingredients: chickpeas that I previously soaked in the water for 24 hours, carrots, red onion and white onion, celery sticks, homemade sauce, tomato sauce, garlic, bay leaves, parsley, pepper, black pepper, and that's it. I'm gonna be sauteing with coconut oil. I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons of it. So I'm gonna be adding diced garlic. We'll saute for 2 minutes or less. So now I'm gonna be adding the onion, red and white onion. I'm adding the celery, chopped celery, also saute for 2 minutes or so. Now we're adding carrots, saute for 2-3 minutes or so as well. I'm going to add the chickpeas as well and saute them for a little bit. A half cup of homemade tomato sauce. So now I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt, and pepper, black pepper, just a half teaspoon, and then parsley. I love parsley, so I use as much as I like a tablespoon or something like that. And you can add after fresh parsley if you like, and the bay leaves. And then we're going to add the water. And then pressure cook it for 25-30 minutes. Depends on the pressure cooker or the stove you have. I'll do it in medium heat. And voila, hope you try it.